tell people that are short, hey, we no longer have the shares, they're going to buy their shares in. And that forces the stock to go higher and higher and higher. What's up, everybody? Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. I want to pull your attention to GameStop. GameStop has a short interest of darn close to 100%. What's going to happen if GameStop starts rallying and all of a sudden 100% of the float that's short needs to cover and starts getting margin calls? You know what's going to happen? Short squeeze, short squeeze. So I have you at, this is just highshortinterest.com. You can get this information at many different scanners. FinViz, FINVIZ is a really good scanner as well. GameStop, the float is 54.73 million. There's 64 million shares outstanding. And a lot of people think this is going to go bankrupt. Now I get who wants to own a bunch of retail stores that sell games when you can just buy all that stuff online. But that's not the point. The point is, even if it's going bankrupt, even if it's not the best company, when the short interest gets like this, that's when we can have the big squeeze. So let's go over the options. I'm going to show you how I'm playing it. Maybe you like the trade too. I have you at GameStop. August. I'm actually going out to September. I just did this trade. GameStop here. What did I buy? I bought 84 cents right here. You can get the same exact level. I'm sure you can get a little bit better level than I got. I personally think that if this continues rallying, and you'll see today it's up about 10%. If this goes up another 10%, folks end up getting margin calls. The cost to borrow goes higher and higher and higher. It gets more difficult to locate stock to short. So brokerages tell people that are short, hey, we no longer have the shares, they're going to buy their shares in. And that forces the stock to go higher and higher and higher. Short squeezes happen all the time. What doesn't happen all the time is 100% of the float going short. Very, very high risk for these guys that get short. It's a crowded trade. GameStop is going to release earnings estimated September 1st. So, estimated September 1st, I like being in the September expiration. Again, the 4.5 strike is where I went. You can go to the 5 strike. What's really interesting too, there's quite a bit of skew, SKEW. Perhaps you consider buying the 4.5s and selling the 7s. You could do that trade for, I don't know, 80 cents and say 20 cents. Do that trade for 60 cents. That's $600 of risk, buying the 4.5 calls, selling the 7s. $600 of risk on a 10 lot. And the most that you can make is 7 minus 4.5. That's 2.5, $2,500 less whatever you spent. So you can make $1,900 while risking $600. There's 100% short on GameStop. Today it's up 10%. Earnings are September 1st. Any good news, any potential buyout, any rumors about buyout is going to send this puppy soaring. Really good risk reward. For those technicians out there, you want to look at the charts? Sure, I'll entertain that. Let's look at those charts. Now, those who follow me know I don't put very much weight in stocks, and I really don't see anything here either. Got down to, I don't know, pretty much nothing right after COVID, big rally, you kind of just messed around right here. Sure, I'd love to see it get over the 100 and 200 period moving average. That'll give us some more confidence. Put $5 as support, as the floor. But I'm telling you guys, with 100% short or 98% short, if this continues to rally, if this catches a bid, who knows where it stops. That's what a short squeeze is, and now is the time to get in. Hope that makes sense. My name is Jonathan Rose, and I'm the owner of Masters in Trading.